What's up? It's me, Mr. Arthur here, and King Taco, of course.
Ooh.
No, that was a little.
Your favourite food?
No.
Hopefully.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Anyway, guys, so what we're here today, we're just going to be opening up some AFL packs. Sadly, Sammy was a bit too excited and decided to open one of his packs. He just got some crappy commons and
Yeah, we just
he just got a pop-up, which is pretty.
But I got a Star Wild in my other pack and a Magic.
Yeah, which is pretty lucky. But we don't have him here to show you.
It's at home.
Yeah, it's at home.
Okay, well.
Anyway, we're in Target right now. You probably can't really notice, but we're in Target.
Okay, I'm gonna open it now. Ready?
Simon can't wait. Alright, he's going. So, let me tell you the story while he's just opening it up. We like the news agency and we only had enough for 3 packs. So we bought 3 packs and then this old lady was there and she was like, I'll buy the other pack.
And there was
for you.
only 4 packs.
Yeah, there was only 4 packs and she bought the last pack for us. So, shout out to old lady.
Dang it!
Shout out to the old lady.
I reckon it's a go. Footy power.
Okay, it's about 45.
Sam Gibson, Patrick Hooley, Dane Zorko, Eddie Betts, and a Matt Prentice, and Jake Carls, and Frank, and Bradley Hill, and Travis. Who cares? That's what you always get.
Yeah, anyway.
Okay,
so
wait, I'll hold the camera. Don't worry.
Shout out to old granny.
Old crap.
My shot.
Wow. I just about pressed stop then.
Alright, sealed. All of them are sealed by the way.
Sealed. Ready. Sealed. Sealed. Yeah, you probably don't.
I reckon I got a pop-up. Yeah,
Nope,
pop-up.
it's a black line, so you don't.
So, yeah. Andrew Swallow, Alan Christian, Jeremy Hell.
Oh, you got a best and fairest
I got a best and fairest Robbie Tarrant, which is okay.
And then you got all these crappy comments.
Next one.
Seal it. I did it for you, but.
So today is just going to be a footy pack opening and also a...
Just playing around.
Yeah, we're going to try and...
Next time our video is going to be in our house, and our house is really big, so...
And pretty nice as well. Guys?
Yeah, wait, you hold the camera, I'll open it for you.
This is not illegal. I have a knife.
Kevin.
I'll bring the fucking knife. So we'll just snip open this.
No, Tom. Wait, you hold the camera, I'll do it for you.
Okay.
Ready?
Anyway, this is not illegal. It's got scissors on it.
There you go.
Oh, no, thank you very
I
much.
reckon it's a footy flicks or something. I don't know.
Yeah, it's definitely a footy. Or some shitty ass. Yeah. So we got a Mason Wood, Dustin Martin, Stephen May, and we got a footy flicks.
Yeah,
Patrick
that's right.
Dangerfield.
Told you.
And then we got
Patrick Dangerfield.
Luke Hodge.
Well,
Wait a second.
you put this on your bum bag.
No, I'm putting mine in my bum bag.
Okay.
No, you put yours. Oh, okay. Well, I guess we'll just put it in and
Put it in that back one. Here, we'll show them our Star Wild.
Yeah, I think we got the Star Wild here.
Yeah, here it is. Here you go, guys. Oh, here. Oh. Okay, that.
Sorry, by the way, we're sorry for the camera if it goes spaz out in the video. We're not 100% sure what's happening because I'm recording on a shitty camera today.
It's better than his other phone.
It's not better, guys.
Comment below down in the description if my phone's better.
No. Put it in my pocket. Alright, yeah, so we're just gonna look around and oh my god, it's beautiful. I wish I was that guy, so sexy.
A guy, that's a girl.
No, look.
Oh, that one.
Oh my god, is that what I see? I see Frozen. Where did we go to Frozen?
You see my hand.
Okay, our vlogs are pretty stupid, I know. Don't get that mad. If it's open, you know we're allowed to have it.
I just saw it.
If it's open, you're allowed to take it. I'm not 100% sure if you're subscribed. Tell me if that's legal or not. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna shoot up the school with this. Yeah. I'm gonna shoot up the school with this, guys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come back and get that.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the camera on the side.
Oh my god.
Oh no, I'll just do it.
Look at this shotgun. Oh, that is sexy. Let's get out of here. Oh my god. Samuel, what are you doing? Oh my god.
Look at this.
It's my dream. It's my dream come true. Pepper's classroom. Oh my god. Brings back so much memories. No. Ha! Die, you fucking. Samuel's the sensible one. I'm the dick one.
Hey, ready? Video me doing this way. Ready?
Alright, ready? This is like footy skills right now. Oh, Samuel, you suck. What about this? I want to shoot up the school with this. Definitely, on my own, I might shoot up the school with that. Or this. Oh, guys, ready? This is like GoPro. We are going to get kicked out of Target if someone catches us doing what we're doing. We are going to get kicked out for sure. Now, as you can tell by the title of this video, yeah, we're basically trying to get kicked out of Target while opening our footy packs. I think I just died. Oh shit, there's a Target worker right there. Samuel! What the fuck is this? What the fuck? He just kicked it from there and went all the way in here, mate. He could have like
this one.
Samuel, look what you done to me.
This is different, sorry.
You scratched me, man.
Done to me.
I don't care. Oh, that hurts. What is this? I'm just looking at all the random. Just looking at all the random shit. Oh, we're back to the camera again, guys. Alright, this video is getting to 7 minutes 30.
What is it? How long is this?
Oh, I cut my hair, guys. It doesn't look like much, but it feels.
Well, should we stop the video? No, let's keep on going.
No, what do you know? Oh, look at these Pokemons. Oh, this is my favorite Pokemon.
$30.
It comes with a pack. So it comes
Comes
with
with
3.
three.
What the fuck?
That's really cheap. This is only 24. Oh, look, Pokeball.
How much?
Tom.
They're only $6.
That's something you don't have.
No, I don't have any Pokeballs.
Mhm.
That big one. Big ball.
Knack.
Right, let's look at all these video games, huh? Let's see what Target has to offer. Lego Dimensions.
Okay, let's see what. Well, I have a PlayStation 3. He's got an Xbox One S. Where's that PlayStation 3? No, PlayStation 3's old.
If I had a PlayStation 4, I'd get What's this, huh? What's this, huh? You looking at porn, somewhere?
Yeah.
What the fuck? This.
Ready? This ice cream is so good.
Oh, it looks like she's sucking on someone's Jacob's penis.
Who's Jacob?
No one. Jacob's Sartorius.
Ha.
If you're hearing this, go suck a ball. So.
And who? Jacob Sartorius.
A musically gay faggot.
I didn't even know him.
So you see this?
No, I know him.
Jacob's gonna grow up to be this guy right here.
Who?
This one right here.
The black one.
Racist little prick. Yes.
Sorry if it's a bit blurry.
Oh, Samuel, come down. See, this is what we need for our camera.
How much is the video going in? Oh, 10 minutes.
See, this is what we need for our video.
It's only $8. You can just get it.
Yeah, it's good. And then we could put the camera in and
How
we
much
could
is
hook it up
$8?
there. It's only $8. We could turn around to get that for us.
What's
We're
this?
friggin' poor.
No, we're not.
It's a US.
Don't worry, we're not. We're really rich.
And then we're not rich.
But we got a lot of money.
If we were rich, we'd
We'll be buying all this.
Yeah,
Except our
wouldn't need
mums.
to vlog it.
Well, not our mums. Our mum and dad do not
Yeah.
let us spend our money.
So I want to get this.
Well, my dad doesn't really care, but my mum does.
What are you doing? Huh?
I don't know.
Just give me the
I'm just
camera.
looking at my face because
Give me the camera.
Mm.
I'm so sorry, guys. Samuel. Well, by the way, you guys, if you haven't noticed, we've been calling each other Samuel and Thomas.
Because that's our real name.
My real
He's
name
Thomas
is
the Tank Engine.
Come on, boy. Anytime, anywhere, boy.
Okay, well, we'll leave the video there, guys.
No. Give me, I wanna
No.
see Indiana Jones. I want to get.
If you haven't seen that movie, it's a really good movie. Good. Okay.
Alright, you haven't seen much of our faces this video because our camera's been the other way, so you can see my feet.
Oh, I like these
You can't.
guys.
Oh my god. No. Anyway, guys. Thomas!
Even he said him.
What dog? Talking shit. What is little stupid? Alright, we're gonna wrap up this.
Let's do this one now.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Again, if you liked it, subscribe and like the video. And I guess we'll see you in the vlog. Goodbye. No, I'm just joking. This isn't the end.
No.
It's
This is the end.
Samuel,
Bye-bye.
you're so crazy. Oh my god.